Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how a Muslim mother taught the Sunnah of food to her son, and her son also heard and understood what his mother said in a better way. Before starting the video, you are requested to subscribe the channel if you are visiting this channel for the first time, and share this video with your friends. So let's start.
Arifa and her son Khalid are ready to embark on a special learning journey together. Arifa begins to explain to young Khalid the importance of washing hands before eating. Arifa tells Khalid that washing hands before eating is not just a regular practice, it is a sunnah. Khalid looks at Arifa with curiosity, wondering why washing hands before eating is important. Arifa explains that washing hands removes impurities and is a way to show gratitude to Allah. Arifa teaches Khalid the proper way to wash his hands, guiding him with love and patience. Khalid's eyes widen as he admires the foamy lather on his hands, feeling a sense of fascination. Arifa explains that washing hands not only cleanses them physically but also spiritually, preparing them for a meal. Inspired by Arifa's words, Khalid decides to practice this sunnah and wash his hands before every meal. Khalid shows determination as he sits at the table, prepared to follow the sunnah and express gratitude. Khalid feels a sense of cleanliness and gratitude as he sits down to enjoy his meal, knowing he has followed the sunnah. Khalid's hands, now accustomed to the practice of washing before eating, confidently reach out to embrace the food, understanding the importance of cleanliness and gratitude.